Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the way businesses operate. From automating tasks to providing insights into customer behavior, AI is having a profound impact on every industry. Here are some of the ways AI is impacting businesses. Automation. AI is automating many tasks that were previously done by humans, such as data entry, customer service, and manufacturing. This is freeing up employees to focus on more creative and strategic work. Insights. AI can analyze large amounts of data to provide businesses with insights that were previously impossible to obtain. These insights can help businesses make better decisions about everything from marketing to product development. Personalization. AI can be used to personalize customer experiences. For example, AI can be used to recommend products or services to customers based on their past purchases or browsing history. Innovation. AI is being used to develop new products and services. For example, AI is being used to develop self-driving cars, personalized medicine, and new ways to generate energy. Here are some examples of how AI is being used in different industries. Retail. AI is being used to recommend products to customers, optimize pricing, and manage inventory. Finance. AI is being used to detect fraud, manage risk, and make investment decisions. Healthcare. AI is being used to diagnose diseases, develop new treatments, and personalize care. Manufacturing. AI is being used to automate tasks, improve quality control, and predict maintenance needs. The impact of AI on businesses is only going to continue to grow in the years to come. Businesses that are able to adopt AI will be at a competitive advantage. Here are some tips for businesses that are looking to adopt AI. Start small. Don't try to implement AI across your entire organization all at once. Start with a small project and then scale up as you become more comfortable with the technology. Invest in training. Make sure your employees are trained on how to use AI. This will help them to get the most out of the technology. Be prepared for change. AI is going to disrupt the way your business operates. Be prepared to adapt and change as needed. The future of AI is bright. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. Businesses that are able to embrace AI will be well positioned for success in the years to come.